All right, so we just finished the JV training for single-tenant buildings. How was it, guys?
Great.
Enjoyed it? Okay, thank you. So I'm gonna ask you just a little feedback, 30-second each. What are your thoughts, Mr. Tanner?
I thought the course was great. I learned a lot, met some cool people, and I'm excited for the future.
All right, awesome. Thank you, sir.
So I watched all the videos before coming here, so I had a good idea. But when you're sitting at home watching it on video, you get kind of lazy and distracted, and you fall asleep. But so you have to go back. But sitting here, it's more where you understand the concept a lot better. So if you feel confused on how to do it, you just don't understand, you've got to sit in class like in person with Cherif. So I think that's what we need to do. Because after today, I feel like I got the concept, so I think I can do it now.
Awesome, Tuk. Thank you so much for the feedback. Tony?
Well, it's I got a better grasp being here in person, going everything, the studies, the information that's available to us here. So I'm looking forward to putting it all to work.
Thank you so much. Andrew?
So Cherif is, he talks the talk and walks the walk. Wealth of knowledge, lots of experience, and he'll give you the bottom line. I highly recommend it.
Thank you so much. Mr. Ernest?
Okay, it's worth coming out to the live events so you can actually ask questions. I've attended the training before, but each time it reinforces you as far as motivation and as well as clarity. And I would highly recommend that if you can make it to the live event, you try and make it to the live event.
Thank you. I remember you came to Puerto Rico and you saw the buildings there the first time. Wonderful. Reggie?
Yes, you make the program easy to understand and keeps me motivated and looking for a great future.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Jason?
Tremendous. Takes real estate to the next level. Understanding the numbers and the magic behind the numbers is incredible. Tremendous data and videos that supports the program, but being here in person, kind of bringing it together, it's where the seed meets the table and makes the whole big meal. And looking forward to the future and what's to come.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you.